Okay. Professor, about the code, the Alex bot. Guy, any particular question? No here. After when the class is over, you email me. You explain me your problem with the Alex. Okay? Okay. 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 I understand, Kendry. Or you stay when the class is over. You stay a few minutes. We talking, discussing this situation. Okay, guys, let's do it now. This is the document I sent last time for the practice, no, of this chapter. That we spend today, maybe Monday. I have another more document. Okay, send in your moment. Okay, so the first is super easy. Is verify if the point below to the line belong to the line. So 1 point is given. Suppose let's do it the first one. Number 1 point is given 3,6, and the semicolon we have equation of the one hypothetic line. I need to verification see this point belong or no. So this is x value, this is y value. You plug it in. 3 plus 6 should be 9. I claim that. It's obvious. Yes, 9 equal 9. This is true. Now the answer is yes. This is below. Yes. Belong to the line. See, the answer is completely contradiction. Then don't belong to the line. Let's do in the second case 8,5 semicolon. The line is x plus y equals 16. This is x value, this is y value. 8 plus 5 should be 16. I claim that. This is 13 equals 16. It's obvious it's a contradiction. It's completely false. And the answer is no. This point don't belong. Number 3, do you follow me? Everyone follow me? Super easy, eh? Okay, number 3 is the point 3,2. The line is x minus y equal 9. This is x, this is y. Substitution, 3 minus 2 should be 9. 1 equal 9, completely false. The answer is no. Number 4. Number 4 is 3,3. It's a given point. The given line is 4x plus y equal 15. This is x, this is y. So 4 times 3 is multiplication plus 3 should be 15. Okay. According to the order of operation, you are doing multiplication first. Mister, do we email you this work? Yes. If you, I emailed not today. I emailed last time. However, if you want to get that, no problem. I send again for you, specific. You email me specifically, say, Professor, I don't have this document. Okay, putting off any microphone. I don't want to hear any noise. Okay, so now let's do it. Order of operation. Multiplication first. 12. 4 times 3, 12. Plus 3 should be 15. Yes, it's true. 15 equal 15. It's true. Yeah, I know, Emmanuel, but you don't. I don't say you need to do that. Okay? Sorry, you understand wrong. So this is yes. Okay. I saw, Emmanuel. The important thing that you have to work is Alex. This is the document to discussing here in the lecture. However, your job is stay focused in Alex, in the homework, Alex, and the test, of course. Okay, number 5 is the point is 3,2. Semicolon. The equation is 3x minus 2y equal 13. This is x value, this is y value, this is 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2 should be 13. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. So multiplication is the first operation, and that's the last operation is addition or subtraction. Equal 13 is a 5. 5 equals 13 completely false. And the answer is no. The last point, number 5, don't belong to the left. No. Any question? Easy, eh?
I have a question.
Go
So
ahead.
when we submit this practice, we have to it's due like this week, right?
Say again, I don't understand.
It's due this week.
No, I never said that. Okay, I want to explain one more time. Okay, this is the example. Okay, I want to select for this lecture to explain the thing. However, you stay focusing on Alex. So what should I do? Open Alex, try to make the homework number 1, after the homework number 2, after the homework number 3. Any problem, anything that you don't understand very well, you go to the tutor section or you email me. Maybe you are doing, for example, a screenshot of the problem that you don't understand, you need help, yeah, I can help. Okay, no, don't student don't understand very well. For example, I appreciate so much, but this is not my instruction. Okay, do that. No, this is for doing now with me in the lecture. Okay, please only think Alex for a moment. Okay, if you want to study my subject or our subject, now Alex. Homework number 1, number 2, and number 3. Clear, miss? Oh no? Okay, we have equation. We are doing 6. And we complete this table. There are many possibilities to complete this table because x and y are variable, no? So you assume any value. So no, not necessarily is one solution. Is a lot of solution, infinity many solutions. However, the most common solution is suppose 0 in x and 0 in y. When you suppose x equals 0, here substitution 0 plus y equals 6. 0 is nothing, therefore y is 6. Put 6 here, and the point is 0, 6. 0, 6 belong to this line. Likewise, 0 and y, x plus 0 equals 6. X equals 6. Okay, that is super easy. 6, 0. And that's it. 2 points is enough to make it the graph of the line. No. In this case, no, not necessary do the graph. It's only complete the table, no? And number 7 is exactly the same. Look, y equals 7x. We have the table again. xy x comma y. X suppose 0 and 0, no? But when you suppose x equals 0, y is equals 7 times 0. 7 times 0 is 0. Entonces 0. Wow. Entonces this row is not good because it's a coincidence que es 0, 0. That is because this line passing through the origin, que es 0, 0. Then you need to create another point, not necessarily 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, either way. Okay, entonces totally arbitrary. Remember, x is the independent variable. You assume que es totally free or real number. Entonces you suppose 1, or 2, or 3, or 40, or 100. It doesn't matter. Entonces y equal 7 times 1, que es 7. And the point is 7, and the point is 1,7. And you using that point, we can do the graph of this line. Everyone follow me? Guys, this is super easy. Everyone follow me? Yes, answer me. Yes, no, professor. Zoom up, zoom down.
Yes, I am.
Okay, super. Okay. Let's continue. Keep going. For example, number 8. Okay, number 8 is more interesting. Number 9 is do the graph. So using the same idea, but now we finish in one graphic representation. Look. I need the down image. What happened with the image? You take a picture. Remember, this is a recording. When the class is over, I send the link in the YouTube video. Okay, let me try to download the rectangular coordinate system image. Okay. Now my goal is do the graph of the number 8. Okay, number 8 is x minus y equals 7. Day 1. Okay, you're using intersect. So you're using intersect. It's because intersect is a special point in which the line crosses the axis. Entonces now, the traditional way to do that is create a table and you put 0 in x and 0 in y. Now 0 in x is 0 minus y equals 7. Minus y equals 7. Therefore, divide by -1 both sides, because my goal is solve for y at positive y, not negative y, and -7. And -7 here. The point is 0, -7. Likewise, 0 in y is x minus 0 equals 7. 0 is nothing, therefore it's easier. X is equal directly 7. And the point is 7, 0. Now plotting the point in the rectangular coordinate system is a little bit complicated because 7 is too far of the origin, and my rectangular coordinate system only have 2, 6, but it doesn't matter. I extending a little bit. Suppose -7 is here. Okay, this is my y-axis. This is -7. This is my first point. My second point is +7 in x-axis. Here, x-axis. 7 here. Okay, that point was 0, -7. That point was 7, 0. And we connecting both points by the line. And that's it. And the story. 45 degrees, because it's the same number, 7, 7. 45 degrees. There you go. Approximately. Let me change the color to red color. I like red color to make a line. And this is the graphic I want. Okay, I need to represent the line x minus y equal 7. Any question? Any question? It's easy, eh? I told you.
No questions.
No question.
No
Good.
preguntas.
Okay, super. Okay, let me erase everything. No everything, you know exactly. Let me undo the word. Quickly. Let's do a number 9. Number 9 is very, very similar. Okay, good. Number 9 is x plus y equal 4. X plus y equal 4. Okay, let's do in the table again. X, y, x comma y. Remember, day 1, we're using the intersecting. And intersecting is 0 always, because it's a point when the line crosses the x or y axis, depending, no? 0 in x is 0 plus y equal 4. Therefore, y is equal 4. The point is 0,4. And 0 and y is x plus 0 equal 4. X equal 4. Wow, 4, 4. The point is 0, 4,0, sorry. Okay, I plot that. 0,4 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, here. This point is the point 0,4. And 4,0 here. 4,0. And we connecting the point again by the line. 45 degrees, but in opposite direction. I'm using red color. This is the line that represents the equation. X plus y equal 4. Okay, we are doing 8, 9. Let's do it 10 now. Ten is similar. The equation is given is 2x minus y equals 4. Okay, let me use in black color. 2x minus y, 2x minus y equals 4. Okay, it's in the table. X column, y column, x comma y column. 0 and x, 0 and y. In principle, we can use any value. However, in the specific example, you say intercept, you use 0. 0x is 2 times 0 minus y equals 4. 2 times 0 is 0, disappear, it's gone, negative y equals 4, but I need positive y, divided by negative 1 both sides, y is equal to negative 4. Entonces I copy negative 4 is associated with the x equals 0, and the point is 0, negative 4. I plot that. I plot where? Here. 0, negative 4 is here. 0, negative 4. But I need 2 points. And the second point is using y0 to say substitution y0, this 0 here. 2x minus 0 equals 4. 0 is nothing, 2x equals 4, divided by 2, because I want to solve for x. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And the point is 2 here, and the point is 2, 0. On the x-axis, 2, 0 is, I suppose, here. This point is the point, 2, 0. And now we connect. A little bit, ready. Red color. Good. This is my line. It represents the equation, linear equation, 2x minus y equals 4. Okay. I suppose this is super easy. So this was number 10, no? Okay. Now let me check the attendance again. Signet, Chairman, please say present and hear something. Sydney, are you there or no? Or you are sleeping? Sydney?
Oh, present.
Okay. Chairman? Calling? Chairman? Are you there? No?
I'm here.
Okay. Alejandro Aguilar?
Here.
Okay. Okay. I understand, DB. Kevin? Yeah, the rest I take attendance. Okay, super. Okay, now keep going. Yeah, I know. You know they are there. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Number 11. Number 11 is similar. Oh, no, not exactly the same because it's 2x plus y equal to. X plus y equal to. Okay. Table. 0x, 0y. Well, 0x is 2 times 0 plus y equal to. It's gone, y equal to. 2, the point is 0, 2. 0, 2, I plot that. It's here, over there. 0, 2 on the y-axis. This is the y-intercept. Now, for y0 is 2x plus 0 equal to 2x equal to divided by 2 both sides, x equal 1. And the point is 1, 0. 1, 0 is on the x-axis. I plot that 1, 0. This point is 1, 0. And we connected this. Let me ask a question. I suppose you understand very well this. You consider necessary continue doing the rest. Okay, 12, 13, 14, and 15 because it's the same stupid thing, right? Yes or no? Answer me. Professor, yes, doing for me because I need to understand much better or no? Okay, I'm talking about 12, 13, 14, and 15. What do you think? Let's do it or no? No. Okay. Alejandro say no. Another opinion, guys. See, one student say yes, I do for you. It's the same. It's clear, super clear. Okay, super. I want to do 16 and 17 que es especial. How do you know que es especial? It's special because in this equation, normally every linear equation contains two variables, x and y, ¿no? Entonces when the one variable is missing, it's because it's special. And si es special, remember the case that we are studying, o es parallel line o es perpendicular. Entonces, for example, in the problem number 16, que the equation is y equal negative 2, and they want que you do the graph using intercept. I realize que this is parallel line. Parallel, no. Hello, what the hell? Horizontal. Horizontal line. Because I know that when there is y equals something, it's horizontal line. Passing through what point specific to? Negative 2. The one important point is the point 0, negative 2. It's here. And after that, using horizontal line, que es 0 degree, I do the rest. This is the horizontal line passing through -2. This point is the point 0, -2. And this is the graphic representation for the line y equal -2. Okay, suppose, can I ask you in the test, what is the y-intercept? And what is the x-intercept specifically in this line? Well, professor, the y-intercept is the point 0, -2, que is the point in which the line, the red line, crosses the y-axis, and the x-intercept never known because this line is parallel to the x-axis. In this case, in this special line, que es parallel o vertical, one variable is missing and one intercept is also missing, right? Suppose let's do it in 17, que es similar, es x equal 4. This is a vertical line. Vertical line. And when you see que one variable is missing, in this case is y is missing, x equals something is vertical line, and this line passing through the famous point 4, 0. Okay, this is the x-intercept. 4, 0 is here. 4, 0. And this is vertical. Vertical because it's x equal any number. Entonces now 90 degree, put in the rule. 90 degree, vertical, too much vertical here. 90 degree, put in the 4. I put in another color, maybe blue. Okay, and this is the representation of the line x equal 4. Super. Any question?
No question. No
Exactly.
pregunta.
Don't hesitate, guys. Don't be shy. You any small detail que you want to clarify, it's my pleasure to do that. Okay. Let's continue this package. This package has 3 pages. Remember, right? 1, 2, 3. Let's move on to the page number 2, que is a little bit more interesting. Okay, erase everything. Erase everything. Erase everything. Okay, let's move on to the second page. Let me try to find my computer the second page. Page 2. Okay. Boom. This is the second page. Okay, and the second page, I need to find the slope of the y-intercept and graph. Wow, 3 jobs. So let's do a number 18. Number 18 say, I copy, I rewrite again. 18 is y is equal 4x minus 7. So now, in my opinion, there are many ways to do that. However, the easy way is you try to manipulate the given equation and try to express it in slow intercept form. Remember, slow intercept form is y equal mx plus b. And we compare. Who is m in our problem? F4. Who is b in our problem? -7. Be careful with the sign, guys, because the plus and the the general equation is everything is plus. So in one particular example, we see negative because the sign of b is negative. So now remember the interpretation. The slope is 4, and b represent the y-intercept. Okay, by the way, any y-intercept is expressed like that: 0, -7. So basically, the y-intercept in this equation is 0, b. Y b in our example is -7. Okay, now ready with this information is enough to make a graphic of this. Okay. But we are doing different. We plot the y-intercept que I have in my hand, que es 0, -7. Oh, bueno, okay. I need to extend a little bit this axis. Es 0, -7. I suppose que here. This is the point, 0, -7. Alright, now using the idea for the slope, remember slope SM is a ratio between two quantities que is right and wrong. Right and wrong. Right and wrong. In this case, in our specific example, the slope is 4. 4 is a whole number, I don't care, because I suppose que wrong is 1. So 4 is not fraction, it's a whole number. Okay, but you suppose que any whole number you consider like a fraction under the consideration que the denominator is 1. Ok, entonces 4 rise, que es positive, is up. It's up. Positive up, negative down. So from -7, I move 4 units up on the y-axis. Entonces 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. Now this segment, let me use in one color, purple color maybe. It's rise. From -7 to -3, no? 4 units, no? Now 1 unit to the right, always to the right. Wrong, it's to the right. And we get a new point. This is okay. And purple color is rise, and yellow color was wrong, 1 unit. And plot this second point. This second point, by the way, is 1, -3. Let me see here. Is 1, -3. Ready. 2 points is enough. I connecting the point by the line and end the story. No table anymore. I don't need the table. No, the table is one possibility, but it's not a unique possibility. Okay, ready. The graph always we are using red color. Done. Okay, it's my line. What line? The original, que is y equal 4x minus 7. Done. The first one. Any question? This is another possibility. Okay, personally, I like so much. Wrong and right. So you plot the y-intercept that you have in your hand. You apply wrong and right. You get the second point, no table, and you connecting both points by the straight line, and that's it. Okay, let's do in 19. Que similar, very similar. Very similar. Guys, I don't know if I am doing too fast or no. I am doing too fast or it's okay. My velocity is good or it's bad. I am doing too fast. Good or no? Answer me. Good. She said good. Okay. Okay. Let's move on to the number 19 problem. 19. Okay, I need to erase. I don't know why. Erase, tapa. Carajo. Don't erase that part. Okay. Okay, 19 is similar. 19 is y equal -3x plus 7. Immediately I compare with the general equation slope intercept. Y I discover que M slope is -3. And B, que es y-intercept value, ¿no? Es positive 7. Que actually es 0,7. Entonces, ready. Almost ready, no? To do the graph. Okay. I plot the point. The first point is 0.7. Bueno, 0.7 using my imagination is here. I'm extending a little bit the y-axis here, and this point is 0.7. And also I know the slope is -3. But remember, slope is the ratio between right and wrong. And this specific example is -3/1 because the slope is no fraction, it's a whole number. So -3 is 3 units down. 3 units down. So it's 3 units down is we have in 7 -3 is 4, no? This is my 1, 2, 3, yes, 7 -3 is 4. This segment in purple color is rise. It's down because it's negative. Así es positive, it's up. But in this case, it's negative. And yellow is 1, in this case is in that direction. And we get the same point, no, another point, sorry. And this point is the point 1,4. And 1,4 and 0,7 connecting by the straight line. And that's it. Let me see. This is my line. Of course, this line is extending in both directions, infinite. This arrow indicates infinite. And this is the graphic representation for this original equation. Okay, I see 18 and 19 is very, very similar, but I want to complicate a little bit your life. For example, 20 and 21, so 20 and 21 is similar. Let's do it, 20 and 21. Entonces you see how you manipulate when you have a fraction, how you manipulate when the y is not isolated. I need to isolate first, okay? There are several combinations. Let's do in 20, why not? 20 bring me new situation. Okay, 20. No, black color I like. 20. 26. 2x plus 3y equals 15. What should I do? Well, there are many ways. You can use the table if you want, but no. Let's continue in this way, same way. You isolate the y because this allows me express the equation in the slope in itself form. Okay, it's comfortable to see slope and y in itself. So let's move on. 3y stay here. I move 2x to the right hand side, but I change the sign. I put in the first place because I want the new equation look like similar to this. Minus 2x plus 15. Bar by 3, y along is my goal, is equal minus 2/3 x plus 5. Yeah, I discover that the slope is minus 2/3 and b is 5, positive 5. Therefore, the y-intercept is the point 0,5. Okay, with this information, I am totally ready to make a graph. Okay. Look, I plot the first point, que is 0,5. 0,5 is here. 0,5. Using the idea of the slope, que I know que es the ratio between two quantity, right and wrong, you assume always the responsibility of the in what direction goes is up or down to the right. So in my mind, I suppose que right is negative to always, because you suppose always que wrong is positive. This is the agreement, guy. Some teachers explain in different way, but I like that way. So you suppose if the slope is negative, you assume that the responsibility to be negative is the right part, not the wrong. Wrong is always positive. So now, from the y-intercept that we compute before, get 5, we move it down, because right is negative, 2 units. So 3, 1, 2. Because 5 minus 2 is 3. And now, wrong is 3. It's 3 units in that direction. Okay, and we discover that point. We use blue color. Okay, by the way, it's the point 3,3. 3 in X, 3 in Y. Ready to make a graph. Little bit here. It's okay. No little bit. It's okay. Well, maybe approximately. Okay. This is the point. This is another point I need to connecting. Okay, this is the graphic representation for this equation. Okay, entonces conclusion. The equation is given in standard. In standard, you can do that the graph using intersecting. Pero it's the table. However, I want to practice another way, que is using slope and y-intercept. What should I do? Step number 1 is solve for y. You determine the slope is that number, m, and b is y. B give me information about the y-intercept, and from the y-intercept, you run and rise. Do it. And you get the second point, connecting both points by the straight line, and that's it. Okay, I suppose that 21 is very simple. Let's do it 21. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it one more. Okay, and mathematical guy, practice is super important. Practice. That is the reason que my recommendation is you stay focused in the Alex. Any problem that you have, remember today is my tutoring day. I start 11. 11 o'clock, I start. Any question? It's my pleasure. Assist to you. 21st. Okay, 21st. Hey, what the hell? Putting off the microphone, please. 21st. 21st is we see 2x minus 4y equal 14. Okay, what should I do? Help me. You should solve for y. Entonces, minus 4y equal minus 2x plus 14. The thing I doing was moving 2x to the right hand side, and negative 4y stay in the left hand side, 14 stay in the right hand side. Finally, divided by negative 4 because I want to solve for y. So this is y positive along exactly we need, because remember my general equation is mx plus b. And And in the m part, we have a negative 2 divided by a negative 4, negative divided by a negative positive, and when you reduce the lowest term, you never put 2 over 4. No, 1/2. Because you know that 2 divided by 4, 4 is 2 times 2, cancel out at least 1, 2, so stay 1 in the top, 1/2, 1x minus 7, no? Because 14, no, sorry, no 7. Is 14 divided by 4 is 7 over 2. And by the way, you put in the calculator, in your own calculator, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Because, well, okay, 7 over 2, I have no idea exactly where it is. So you put in the calculator. When you put in the calculator, 7 divided by 2, I put in my calculator right now, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Of course, it's negative 3.5 because my equation have a negative here. But I have some idea where look like. Okay. Bueno, ready. I try to bring my rectangular coordinate system. Okay, good. After that, I plot my first point is 0, minus 3.5. Always 0. Remember this 0 que stay here. Entonces 3.5, bueno, 3.5 is in the middle between negative 3 and negative 4. Okay. This is the point, 0, negative 3.5. And from this point, where the slope in our example is 1/2. Therefore, it's positive, so it goes up, rises 1, and wrong is 2. Rises 1, so 1 up. 1 up, well, I suppose 1 up is here. So it's negative 2.5, no? Because negative 3.5 plus 1 is plus because it's up, it's positive. Now 2, get wrong is 2. In what direction? To the right. Always wrong is to the right. 2 units. We get the second point, and this second point is the point 2, minus 2.5. Okay, right was 1, so negative 3.5 plus 1 was negative 2.5. Ready to connect in the point by the rule? Wow. Okay, ready. Okay, and this is the graphic representation for this equation. Okay, that was 21. Everyone follow me? I want to skip 22 and 23 because it's the same thing. Oh no, 23 no. 23 is a little bit, well no, it's the same. Well no, let's do it 23. 22 is the same. A repetition, the same stupid thing. Let's do it now. I suppose que es 23. Let's do it 23. Guy, are you there? Are you sleeping or no? Okay, no. Okay, you pay attention. I like this class. I love you this class. Now we have only 17 students. The rest of the students be scared and leaving. Only have 17. So with these 17 students, I need to work too hard for everyone pass with the A+. Okay? You be ready, pay attention. Any question, let me know. I am your friend. I want to guide you to be successful in the mathematics. I suppose you take with me in October, you take college algebra. It's a continuation of this. You are enrolled in the same class or no? This is a combo class. Okay. Let's do it 23 now. 23. No record. Record for the line. Now. Okay, 23. Black hole. Okay, it's negative 4y equal minus 3x minus 70. Wow, this is completely disorganized equation. So don't expect que always give me the elegant equation. No. Hello. This is a crazy equation. Entonces, what should I do? Well, you solve for y. You divide by negative 4, by negative 4, by negative 4. You have y alone, positive, of course, negative divided by negative, positive, 3 over 4. X minus 17 over 4. And 17 over 4, but a plus, sorry. Negative, positive, negative, positive. Everything is plus in this equation. Now 17 over 4, okay, it's a number, but I have no idea where it is. 17 divided by 4, I put in my calculator, is 4.25. 25. So 17 over 4 is equal 4.25 in decimal. Okay? Now ready to do the graph of this. Okay.
Professor, I found another way where you can write the equation, because if you're using the fraction form, and I see you also wrote it in decimal form. For me, it was simpler to write the equation in decimal form.
Okay. This is the beauty of this. Okay, there are a lot of possibilities. Okay. And that part, no. In that part, I recommend stay like a fraction. Yes or no? Or you prefer decimal? Plus 4.25. Okay, entonces I discover que my slope is 3 over 4 and my B is 4.25. Que es the y-intercept. 4.25, I plot that, que is 4.25, 0, is, 4.25 is a quantity between 4 and 5, pero it's a half of the half. It's close to, so you divide this segment between 4 and 5, you divide by 2 is 4.5. And you divide by 2 again, the last part, the first part is 4.25. At this point is the point 0, 4.25. Approximately this position. Now, using the idea for the wrong and right, in our example, right is 3. Look at that. It's the top part, numerator, and wrong is denominator is 4. So right is 3. 3 in what direction? Well, 3 over. 3 over because it's positive. So 4.25 plus 3 is 7.25. A little bit out the rectangular coordinate system, but it's okay. So you move 3 units up in that direction. Approximately here. Now you move 4 units to the right. In that direction. And we get this point, new point. We have the point, we have this point. Okay, by the way, this point is 4.7.25. Because it's this answer, no? The y value, and if the x value is 4, because wrong is 4. So 0 plus 4 is 4. We're not ready to do the line. So not always happy, not always we have elegant equation. You need to manipulate algebraically. in order to express it in the way you want to see much better. This is the line que represent this original equation. Okay, I propose you do one more, que es 24. Because 24 I see something wrong, or I don't know, 24 is wrong, it's good, it's hard, or it's easy. It's easy. This is super easy, straightforward, and this is a little bit similar to the 23, 25. Let's do it 25. I propose you. No necessarily do everything, no, it's too long. It's a repetition, the same idea. No. Okay. Let's do it now 25. And I start the next kind of problem, gets a little bit more complicated. Okay, good. 25 is 5x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is a totally disorganized equation. I need to manipulate in order to express it like that. Sloping is set for. What should I do? Well, solve for y. So you need to manipulate in order to isolate. I need y alone, totally isolated. So I copy minus 2y is equal. I move to the right hand side. The term que contain x is minus 5x. And the term que do not contain variable is b. I suppose, no es b, es c. Entonces es minus 3. Finally, divided by negative 2. Entonces y alone is equal. Negative divided by negative positive. 5 over 2. Leave it like that, like a fraction. Plus 3 half. Pero 3 half en decimal es 1.5. I put in my calculator, no? Entonces, she said she prefer write like that. 5 over 2 x plus 1.5. Is correct. Entonces, m es 5 over 2 and b es 1.5. With this information, I am ready to make a graph. Okay. All right. Let's plot the first point, que es the point 0, 1.5. Always is 0, it's y and a z. It's on the y-axis. 1.5, I suppose que es here. And between 1 and 2, exactly in the midpoint. So 0, 1.5. All right, now from this point, wrong and rise. Rise first, wrong second. Doesn't matter, the order is not important. But I know in my mind, I create the habit, rise first, F5. And wrong is 2. So 5 unit, 1.5 is the height of this 1.5 plus 5 is obvious que 6.5. Wow. The 6.5 is 5 unit is here approximately. This is 7, 1.5. This is rise, 5 unit up because of positive. And 2 here. This is wrong. Rise. And this point now is the point 2, something, 2,6.5. Okay, now connection. Connection. Connecting both points by the straight line. And that's it. Good. Good. Okay, red color. This is my line. The graphic representation of our original equation. Okay, by the way, is this equation. Super. No problema. Okay, so we try to spend the rest of the time doing the problem 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31 is different. It's no big deal, but it's different because in this problem, I want to do by hand, and also, guys, remember in the last class I explained Desmos. Remember Desmos? Okay, let's do it in that order. Look, I want to do by hand. After I check it, we using Desmos because Desmos is available for you anytime. You can use it in the test, doing the homework. Every student doing that. Entonces, let's do it. Okay, let me erase everything. Okay, erase everything. Okay, now I come back again to the PDF. I select the page number 2. Okay, insert. It's the same page. Okay, now I have to point. Let's do in 27 problem. 27 problem. In 27 problem, you have to point -7,4 and -1,2. Okay, so I call this guy x1, y1. I call x2, y2. It doesn't matter what you call 2 and 1. If you call completely different, 1, 1, 2, 2, the answer doesn't change. And you compute the slope. So what we have 2 steps. The first step is compute the slope. And what is the formula? One of the formula is slope is equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It's doing well. Substitution. Who is y2? X2. Minus. Who is y1? 4. Who is x2? -1. Who is x1? It's -7. But remember, we have double negative. No, negative of the formula and negative of the value. Entonces, in this case, it's +7, right? Entonces, in the top, we have -2. In the bottom, we have 6. Leave it like that? No. You have to reduce the lowest term. Divided by 2, top and bottom is -1/3. And it's my slope. Okay? Entonces, using this idea, well, on day 1, no graphic in this moment. It's only find the equation. The second step is find the equation of the line, que they find the slope of the line and connect the point. Only find the slope. Wow. Okay, understand. No 2 steps, only 1 step. You need to find the slope of the line that connecting the point. Okay, it's easy. Sorry, not 2 steps. It's only 1 step. Super elementary, straightforward example. The answer is -1/3 is the slope. Okay. I suppose is much better. Well, and the other examples. Okay, 28, 10, 28 is -3, -5, and -3, -2. Let's see. Again, I call x1, y1, x2, y2. The formula for the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 is negative 2 minus y1 is negative 5, double minus, become positive. X2 is negative 3 minus x2, x1 is negative 3 also is positive 3, become positive. And the top we have 5 minus 2 is 3. In the bottom we have 0. And division by 0 is undefined. Undefined, this is the answer. You leave it like that, undefined, in this word. Okay, you know it's impossible doing the division by 0. And when this situation happens, we are in the case que es vertical line. Vertical line. Okay, skip 29. Let's do it in 30. Okay, it's more interesting. Suppose negative 5, 8, and 4, 8. Okay, again, compute the slope using the famous formula. The formula is slope is equal y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. y2 is 8 minus y1 is 8, x2 is 4 minus, and x1 is negative 5, double minus become positive. 8 minus 8 is 0, 4 plus 5 is 9, and 0 divided by any number is 0. Entonces when this situation happens, this is vertical line and this is horizontal. Remember the interpretation line. Remember the interpretation of the slope is inclination. When the slope is 0, that means que es totally flat. Slope 0, no inclination. 0 inclination. Entonces, when it is undefined, it's because it's a huge infinity inclination. But no infinity. This is just vertical line. Okay. Do you understand very well this problem? It's super easy, eh?
Mr. What?
Yeah. Go ahead. No, I don't. Come on, repeat again, please.
4 plus 5 considered 5
Sorry, guy. Your audio have problem. I hear you like a ba. So you can type your question in the chat now, please. Come on, type it. Type your answer, your question. Who speak? Why do you 4 plus 5 and the 4 positive 5 is negative? Good question. Okay, look. Actually, I can see x2 f4 minus x1 is negative 5. Like that. Y I know, I do fast, que double negative become positive. Good. Eso, bueno. Mucho bueno. Brian Duran, say good. Okay. Let's move on to the next kind because we are boring to do this. It's the same thing, the formula. And the problem 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36, a little bit different, is find the equation of the line through the given point, expressing the answer in standard. Okay, let's practice new thing. Okay, let me again put the PDF page 2. It's easy that way, cannot erase. Okay, let's move on to the question 32. No, 32, no, 33. 33. Because 32 is the same, 2 point. Pero find the equation of the line through. No, wait, relax. 32. 32 is the problem que I suppose que we are doing. So we have 2 points now. 7,0 and 0,7. Okay. And the answer que we expect is the equation of the line que connecting this given point. Okay, entonces this is the problem que you have two steps. In step 1, we compute the slope exactly the same we are doing before. Slope is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I call x1 y1. I call x2 y2. Substitution now. y2 is 7. y1 is 0. x2 is 0 minus x1 is 7. In the top we have 7 positive, in the bottom we have negative 7 and negative 1. Okay, so this is my first partial answer, because my goal, remember, is equation. Equation and then one is standard. Okay. Step 2 is, for example, using this formula. It's point slope formula. Y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. This is fantastic. Always I using that formula. It's a formula que allow me to find the equation of the line. So the goal is equation of the line. Equation of the line. Of the line. When you have the information in my hand, we have the slope. Okay, I have here and negative 1 in our problem. And we have one given point, guess this or this. So I go using 1 or using 2, doesn't matter what you using, the answer doesn't change. This is the beauty of the. But okay. Y is a variable. Minus y1 is 0. Look, I take my first point. So you take the second, you put 7 here. It's the same. Slope is negative 1. Paréntesis, x, que es el variable, minus x1, que es 7. That's it, no. You apply distributive property now. Well, 0 is nothing. It's a y alone. Apply distributive property here. Entonces, minus x plus 7. I leave it like that, no? No, because this is slow in a set form. And they want a standard. The standard is easy. A standard, remember, you move everything that contains variable to the left. This is a slope in a set form. However, in the problem, I don't know why they ask me standard. Answering standard. They want. Okay, no problem. I rearrange. Look, I put x. I move to the left. Y stay in the left. E7 stay in the right. And this is the standard. Okay. Standard. Slow in a form. Is the same line, but a two different ways to represent this line. This is just style. Standard and slow in a form. It's the same line. It's the same answer. Well, no, it's the same answer. It's a different style. Okay. Any question, guy? No. I know that this is a good class. The class I have right now is good. Okay. Let's move into 33. It's a little bit different. A little bit. Because in this case, 1 point is given. 1 point is given. 1 point is given. And one line is given. Okay, what's the? I need to understand this problem. I am confused. Look, in 33, the professor give me 1 point, que es 1,95. Okay, 33. In 33, the professor give me 1 point, que es 1,95. Semicolon, and do you say parallel to, and one line is given. Okay, what is the idea? What is the idea? I need to understand geometrically what is the idea. Suppose that we have rectangular coordinate system here. X, Y. I plot that point. 1,5, 1, I suppose it's like that. 1, suppose -5 here. I plot that point. So I have one line, que es this line. Que this line is, bueno, it's different. This is -5, pero this is -6. The y-intercept is -6. And the slowest 3, suppose 3 up and 1 down. But I suppose just like that. This is the given line. And this is the given point. What is my goal? My goal is find the equation for the new line, que passing through this point and is parallel to the given line. Okay, my answer is the equation of the red line. The black is given. The point is given. I need to find the equation of the another line, not this. This is the all given. I need to find new line, que es the red. Okay, do you understand the idea? So you understand, let's do it. Because I know this magic formula. Look, y minus y1 equal m parenthesis x minus x1. This is Poincare law formula. It's magic. Allow me always find the equation for the line when the one information is given. Suppose that this point is giving x1, y1, okay, that number and slope. Looking this equation, I can see a slope of the given line I want to call M1, F3. Now, the slope of the new line, the red line I erase, is the same because this word is the key word, parallel. Parallel means same slope. Okay, now ready, you copy y minus y1 gets -5. Look, double negative, negative of the formula and negative of the y1 value is positive. Is equal a slope F3. It's the same here. Parenthesis x minus x1 is 1. Okay, ready? No. I apply distributive property. We have 3x minus 3. You may be, well, you want a standard. If you want a standard, you move any variable to the left. So you put so you move 3x here, and you put in the first place. Y stay in the left, and 5 and move to the right. And -3, -5. Okay. Remember, standard is ax plus by equals c. This is the standard format. But be careful because a must be positive always. In this case, negative, so I need to do something. Entonces, es -3x plus y equal -a. Because -3 and -5 together is -a. Now, leave it like that. No, incorrect. Because a in the standard format, a must be positive. Must be positive always. So you divide or multiply either way the entire equation by -1. So you put the big -1, que affect every sign and become positive, become negative, and become positive. And this is my elegant answer en estándar. Okay, standard speaking, standard require the coefficients A, B, and C whole numbers, integer in general, not exactly whole number, integer, maybe positive, maybe negative, and A is positive always. It's picky. Okay, this was number 33. Let's doing two more. And stop. In this page, we continue Monday, next page. And also, we spend the rest of the week doing another package. No, this is not the only package. It's like a review, no, for the test. Okay, let's move on to 34. 34. Okay, page 2. Insert the page. 34 now. 34. 34 say, the point is given is -5, -3, semicolon, parallel. This is important because when it's perpendicular, it's not the same slope. 2, y equal -1/2 x minus 10. This is the given line. I need to find new line que satisfy both requirements. Passing through the point -5, -3, and also is parallel to this given line. I need to find the new equation of the line that satisfies both conditions. Okay, what is my formula? Well, my formula is always this. When you say find equation, you use it always, anytime, this. Boom. The point is given, it's -5 and -3. So y minus, y1 is -3, but double negative become positive. I do aromatical, guys. I don't lie. No. If you lie, it's your preference. Put -3 here. No. Double negative. Look like weird. So in my mind, it's clear that double negative is positive. This is positive too. And what about slope? Well, slope of the given line is -1/2. Slope of the new line is the same because the keyword is parallel, the same slope. I put -1/2 parentheses x minus x1 is -5 double negative again become positive. Boom. Okay. What should I do now? Distribute it? No. We can. But to avoid the manipulation of the fraction, gets a little bit confusing, complicated. I highly recommend multiply the entire equation by 2. Why 2? Because 2 is the number that we have in the denominator. No, another example is 3 or 4, you multiply by 3 or by 4. When you multiply the entire equation by 2, we have now 2y plus 6 equals something. And when you multiply 1/2 times 2, it's obvious que es -1. And -1 is invisible. Negative parenthesis x plus 5. And be careful. You multiply by 2 only the number outside the parenthesis, no inside. Because if you multiply outside and inside, so you multiply by 2 times 2, que es 4. No. Or you make a decision. Or you multiply inside or you multiply outside. It's obvious que in this case it's useful multiply outside because my goal is eliminate the fraction. Okay, I know que -1/2 times 2, que you consider 2 as a whole number over 1, it's obvious que es -1. It's exactly the same I put here. the problem is that this is invisible, negative. Now, ready to apply distributive property. 2y plus 6 is equal minus x minus 5 because you consider that this is negative 1 times x is negative x, and negative 1 times positive 5 is negative 5. Now, almost ready to express in standard. Remember, day 1 is standard. Day 1 is standard. Okay, so standard, remember the format is the variable to the left. I'm putting alphabetic order. X first, so this minus x I move to the left like a positive x. 2y stay in the left. Negative 5 stay in the right, and negative 6 move to the right like a minus, opposite sign. So x plus 2y equal minus 11. Boom. Final answer. End the story. Standard form. Any question? Okay, the thing we are doing is 1 point is given. 1 point is given. 1 line is given also. And you need to fabricate, find, build new equation of the new equation is satisfied. This is passing through this point for sure. Okay, let me try to take advantage. I want to copy this answer. In this moment, I want to spend the time. Okay, the given point is negative 5, negative 3. I'm copying one piece of paper. The given line is y equal negative 1/2 x minus 10. And the line we found is x plus 2y equal negative 8. Okay? Entonces I want to verification. Suppose que I am doing the test and you compare by hand in your paper, but I want to make sure because I want to get 100 points in this test. Entonces I open Desmos. Desmos is a fantastic graphic calculator, no? Que es free, es beautiful. Let me try to share the screen of the Desmos to illustrate the procedure. Okay, Desmos, let me see. Stop sharing. Now Desmos. Okay. Look, do you see Desmos? Answer me, yes or no? Yes or no? Guys, are you sleeping? Do you see Desmos or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Good. Look at that. In the left part, I put a point. The point is easy. Okay, the point, Brian, the point is you open parentheses, you put negative 5, negative 5. Look, I prefer typing in the keyboard, special keyboard que Desmos have. You open that and you put negative 5, comma, negative 3. Boh, too much negative. And you plot that. And red color. It doesn't matter the color. If you prefer, you select the color. The color here. You click on the icon and hold the mouse, the left mouse, and you select the color and the style of the point. Red is okay, no? Red is okay. Okay, now enter, and you open a new line. No? And new line, I want to copy the equation of the given line, okay, is y equal negative 1/2 negative 1/2 x minus 10. This is the equation. Wow, what the hell? It's up here. No. It's here, over there. This is the equation in blue color, the equation of the given line. And we found in my paper the equation of the new line en estándar. Doesn't matter. Desmo es fantastic. You copy in slow in C4 or you copy in standard and Desmo understand very well both ways. And the answer was x plus 2y equal negative 11. Let me see. It's x plus 2y equal negative 11. Boom. Wait. But I don't like green color. I like red color because belong to the point. The point belongs to this. So I click here, I change the color, bagada. And this is my answer. I verification that the answer that we compute in the piece of paper matching perfectly with the idea. Okay, we need to find the equation of the new line, que es the red one. I'm flashing that. Passing through the point gets given. Look, this is the point is given. Flashing that. And also it's parallel. Parallel means the same slope of this. Fantastic. Yes or no? Good. Okay, one more example. Let's do it by hand and verification with them. Let me try to switching a little bit to the stop sharing. Whiteboard now. Boom. Okay. Let me erase everything. Again, download the PDF format. Page number 2. And we spend the rest of the time doing number 35. 35 is negative 10,9. It's a given point. And the given line is parallel is 2x minus 5y equal negative 7. This is the given. Now my formula, y minus y1 is equal slope, parenthesis, x minus x1. When I have in my hand, x1 is negative 10 and y1 is positive 9. Okay, good. But I have no idea about the slope. No, I know why I know. Because the given line is expressed in standard. In standard, I don't see clear the m. What should I do? Well, I need to modification to slow in a cell form. So for y. It says minus 5y is equal, I move minus 2x minus 7 divided by negative 5, everything. Y alone is 2/5 positive plus 7/5 positive. Yeah, I don't care that part. That part is not important for me because I realize the slow one is 2/5. It's that part. Now, the slow 2 is the same because we are talking about parallel line. So the new line we will find is parallel. Okay, now substitution everything in the equation. Okay. So y is a variable, y1 is 9. M is 2/5. Parenthesis x minus x1 is negative 10, double negative, we have positive 10. Okay. And this is the moment in which I make a decision to multiply by 5, no? Because my intention is eliminate the fraction. Guy, I propose that way. So you distribute the use of the fraction, it's okay. It's okay. 1 because where the only disadvantage is operation with the fraction. Okay, maybe it's confused. You multiply by 5 everything, so we have 5y minus 45. Where come from 45? 5 times 9 no? Is equal to 5 times 5 is 2. Because it's obvious. It's obvious when you multiply by 5, this 5 and this 5 cancel out. And stay alive 2. Now you apply this 3 with the property here. We have 5y minus 45 is equal to x plus 20. If you want a standard, okay, no problem, I understand. You move the variable to the left, put in alphabetic order, it's minus 2x plus 5y is equal 20, stay here on the right, plus 45. Minus 2x plus 5y equal 65. And leave it like that? No. Why no? Because in the standard format, A must be mandatory positive. But this is easy. You multiply, hypothetically in your mind, you multiply by -1 whole thing, so everything changes sign. Is it positive now? Is it negative now? When you multiply by -1, and this is negative now. This is my final answer in standard. Okay. This is the line to satisfy the requirement. Case passing through this point, and also is parallel to this line. Okay, I want to copy in one piece of paper this information because I switched in the screen. Okay, the original point is the point -10,9. The given line is 2x minus 5y equal -7. And the answer that we found, I need to verification because I want to make sure I do it okay or no, is 2x minus 5y equal -65. Now let's move on to Desmos. Okay, Desmos is my friend. Okay, help me to understand everything. Okay, I share the screen to Desmos. Let me see, switching to Desmos. Okay, good. Okay, look. Do you see Desmos? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, look, let me show you some more. Look. Suppose you, to organization the word and do not erase everything. You click here in plus sign. And you see a folder. And the folder, for example, this was the example. What number of the example is this? I don't remember, 35, no? And the previous was 34. So example 34 is the name of this. And you put this inside this, you put this inside this, and you put this inside this. You see how we link connecting by this gray line, and when you extending or expanding like that, look, boom, wow, and you put on enable this. You want to see again, you put enable and you see the question. Fantastic. And suppose now that we are doing 35, you add another folder, example 35. You press enter, you plot the point. The point was -10. And let me use the keyboard of this book. I lie. -10, something. -10,9. I put the label. Okay, look at that. This is my point. Purple color. Good. Now the equation of the given line was 2x minus 5y equal -7. 2x minus 5y equal -7. Black color. Of course, this line don't pass for the given point. No. Pero the equation that we found, I suppose que is passing through this point, is parallel to this line. Entonces es 2x minus 5y equal negative 65. Okay, I'm using the same color, que es purple color. Purple color is this. Bang, perfect. We are the best in Miami-Dade College. Okay, we find the equation of the line passing through this given point, and it's parallel to the given line. Now, Monday, we continue working with this, but not parallel anymore. You perpendicular. Okay, 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 okay. Well, I propose something. Some student. Okay, let me stop sharing everything. Stop sharing. No more. Stop sharing. Do you see my face now? Do you see my face now? Do you see my face now? Good. Let's take a break. Well, we finish. Let me stop recording.